Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your notifications not working on Facebook. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is ensure that permissions are enabled. Simply go ahead and open your Facebook application. Once you've done that, simply tap on the top left triple lines icon and then simply go down to settings and privacy. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on settings one more time and then simply go ahead and click on notifications. All you need to do here is make sure that everything is turned on right over here. If that doesn't work, then try to check your notification settings on your device. Open your settings and go down to notifications and look for Facebook right over here and make sure all of this is turned on as well. If finally none of those work, then the final step you need to follow is go to your general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.